Now today let's start with chapter number 10, shelter and food of animals. Okay, we have different animals, they live in different shelters. Like lion lives in den, horse, stable, military. Where do rabbit live? In burrow. Like this, different animals have different shelters. And then we will study about the food of animals. We have different animals, some are herbivores, some are carnivores, and some are omnivores. Herbivores, those animals which eat plants only. Carnivores, जो flesh खाते हैं, omnivores, the animals that eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. Let's start with the chapter now. Just like us, animals also need homes to protect themselves and their young ones from heat, cold, rain and enemy. देखो जैसे हम लोग घर पे रहते हैं अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करता है हीट से, कोल्ड से, रेन से, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स से, ऐसे एनिमल्स को भी हाउस की नीड होती है, होम की नीड होती है टू protect themselves from harsh condition like we have cold, hot, rain या फिर their animals. Their home or shelter is a place which is safe and comfortable for them. Different types of animals live in different types of shelter. देखो अलग अलग तरीके के एनिमल्स अलग अलग तरीके के शेल्टर में रहते हैं. Some lives in natural shelter. Now there are some animals that lives in natural shelter. जैसे rabbits, where it lives? burrow. Snake lives in the hole. And where does lion lives? Lion lives in the cave. Now some animals build their own shelter. कुछ animals ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना shelter बनाते हैं. Like birds build their nest on the tree. और honey bees क्या बनाते हैं? अपना beehive बनाते हैं. और spider weaves their web. वो अपना web बनाते हैं. Now some animals live in man-made shelter. कुछ animals होते हैं domestic animals, pet animals. ये एक man-made shelter में रहते हैं. Like a dog, where it lives in kennel. Horse, stable और hen कहाँ रहती है? खूट में रहती है. Now, food of animals. Animals need food to live. Different animals need different food to live. Like they eat different kinds of food. We have plant eaters. They are known as herbivores. The animals that eat what they eat? Grass and leaves only. Like cow, goat and horse. What are they called? Plant eaters or herbivores. Then we have grain eaters. Some animals like pigeon, sparrow, eat seeds, fruits and grains. What are they known as? Grain eaters. Then we have insect eaters like spider, lizard and chameleon. What they eat? They eat insects and worms. And what are they called? They are called insect eaters. इन्हें insect eater कहते हैं. Then we have flesh eater. There are some animals like lion, tiger and wolf. What they eat? Flesh of other animals. And what are they called? They are called flesh eaters. Then we have some animals like dog, cat and crow. They eat both plants and flesh of other animals. दोनों चीज खाते हैं, plant भी और flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. What they are known as? Omnivores. Now, hope you understood. I have told you about the different shelters and food that animals eat. We have plant eater, grain eater. Then we have flesh eaters, those who are known as carnivores. And some are both. They eat plants and that's flesh of other animals. They are known as omnivores. Now let's start with the exercise. Chapter we have done with. Now start the exercise. First is take the correct option. These are natural shelters. Den, cave या burrow. Okay. Lion lives in nest, caves या burrow. कहाँ रहता है? Cave में रहता है. A cow lives in a कहाँ रहती है? Cow shed में. Dash eat seed, fruits and grain. कौन है? आपका sparrow. Some animals eat only plants, grain and flesh. Next is fill in the blanks. Animals live in different types of houses. Animals need dash to live. क्या चाहिए उसे? Shelter. Some animals eat only some animals eat insects and Lion eat dash of other animal. Lion क्या खाता है? Flesh of other animal. Then we have match the following. Lion, cave, rabbit, burrow, spider, web, birds, nest, or dog, cat. Now answer the following question. Why do animals need home? Animals need home to protect them from heat, cold, rain, and their animals. Name 4 animals which live in their natural center. Monkey, lion, your snake. Now, who are flesh eater and name 3. The flesh eater, the animals that eat flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores like lion, tiger, and your jackal. What are herds? Herds are the play. What are herds? क्या होता है? झुंड होता है. Animals का झुंड होता है. उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Herds कहा जाता है. Who are plant eaters? They were. कौन होते हैं plant eaters? They are herbivores, animals that eat only plants like cow, buffalo, rabbit. Now fill in the vowel. Stable, stable. Then we have burrow, burrow. Then we have hole. Then we have coop. This is den. And this is kennel. Now, fun activity you have to do yourself. Our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.